Well, if you hate exercise as much as I do, like I don't want to waste my time. I just want to get stronger. I don't want to go spend a half hour in the car going to the gym and then a half hour coming back, a half hour in the gym, you know, in the locker room, getting ready to go, getting ready to come home. Why not just do this in your own living room? If you don't like exercise and you have a hard time just, you know, pumping your muscles just to pump the muscles, then I'm just suggesting that if you have a difficult time, start slow. Maybe start rotating your hold on to something, you know, and rotate your ankles both directions. Hold on to something. Use one foot. Rotate your other foot both directions. All right. Rotate your knees. Alright, reach up and stretch your waist a little bit, and maybe do a few toe ups or something like this, you know, just to get started. See how well you bend. Pay attention to your feet. You might have to work on your feet or something, but I have a basic step stool here. Super easy. Step up, step up, step down, step down, step up, step up, step down, step down. You can turn this so you're stepping down with a wider angle, so you're building different muscles as you turn on this and open your legs in different ways. So here I'm stepping up, up, down, down. See how much wider this is? Before you know it, you might want to get something that's a little wider base than this, because it's really hard to just stay on this one.